How to build wealth, starting with just $100. You have $100 in your hand right now. Most people would spend it this weekend. Dinner out, something online, maybe nothing they'd even remember a month from now. But what if that same $100 was the exact starting point that changed your financial life forever? I'm not talking theory. I'm not talking about get rich quick. I'm talking about a proven step-by-step path that millions of ordinary people have used to go from broke to building real, lasting wealth. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Here's the lie most people believe. I'll start investing when I have more money. But more money never comes, because no one ever taught you what to do with the money you already have. The truth? Wealth isn't built by people who suddenly come into a windfall. It's built by people who learn to do something smart with a small amount, consistently, over time. The biggest wealth killer isn't a low salary, it's waiting. Every month you wait to start costs you more than you think, because the one force that can make an ordinary person wealthy, compound interest, only works when you give it time, and time is the one thing you can't buy back.
Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was 27, working as a teacher, making $38,000 a year. She had no savings, $9,000 in student loan debt, and she'd convinced herself that investing was for rich people. Then one afternoon, she read a single blog post about index funds. On a complete whim, she transferred $100 into a Roth IRA and bought her first share of a broad market index fund. She didn't quit her job. She didn't get a side hustle. Not yet. She just started. Every month after that, she automated another $50, then $100, then as her income grew, $200. By 35, just 8 years later, she had over $40,000 invested. Her student loans were gone, and she was on pace to retire at 55 with well over $500,000. Sarah isn't a financial genius. She just learned 3 things and started with $100. Let me show you what she did. There are 3 steps, in order. Don't skip ahead. Step 1. Kill the emergency excuse. Your first $100 doesn't go into stocks. It goes into a high-yield savings account as the seed of a $1,000 emergency fund. Without this buffer, one unexpected bill will undo every investment you make. Most banks offer HYSA accounts with 0 minimums. Open one today, not tomorrow. This single step removes the #1 reason people stop investing: panic withdrawals when life happens. Target $1,000 emergency fund. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA today. Once your mini emergency fund is in place, open a Roth IRA through Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. All free, all beginner-friendly. Put that $100 in and buy one thing: a total market index fund like VTI or FSKAX. That's it. You now own a tiny piece of thousands of the world's best companies. Your money grows tax-free, and every dollar you put in after this compounds on top of the last. Grows tax-free for decades. Step 3. Automate and forget. Set up an automatic transfer, even $25 a week. Don't budget around it. Don't think about it. Just automate it. This is the move that separates people who build wealth from people who mean to. You'll be shocked what happens when you stop relying on willpower and let the system do the work. Increase the amount by just 1% every 6 months. That's the whole plan. Boring and wildly effective. $25 a week to $250,000 plus in 30 years. Here's the number that should motivate you more than anything else. If Sarah had waited just 5 years to start, just 5, she would have ended up with roughly $150,000 less at retirement. Same income, same contributions. Just 5 years of waiting. That's the cost of, I'll start later. Wealth is not about how much you make. It is about what you do consistently with what you have. $100 won't feel like much today, but 10 years from now, the version of you that started today will thank you in ways you can't even imagine right now. No debt, growing savings, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing your future is being built while you sleep.
So here's your one action item from this video. Before this day is over, open a high-yield savings account or a Roth IRA and put $100 in it. That's it. That's the whole assignment. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you starting today?